What's going on? I'm the JakeOfALL, and this is PACKOUT Princess's dad's Chevy Bolt. It's an EV, and he's tired of this little dinky plug, right? So we got something pretty in this case, and it's not going to use a little 15 amp. It's actually, we're going to switch it over to a NEMA 1450. So let's go over here. Let me show you the charger. We've got it mounted and installed, and I'm going to show you just the fact that it can do 32 amps as opposed to the 8 that thing does. So let's go over here and take a look. So first of all, they include a nice carrying case. So if you were traveling and you wanted to make sure that you had, you know, faster charging capabilities, you can actually take this off the wall and put it in here and wrap it all up. Now, what you get is, this is the main, you know, brick of the charger, and you can see up there, right? 32 amp. Now we can actually change that. 16, 10, right? Go back to 32. Again, I said that was a NEMA 1450, so that's that big dryer style plug. It comes with a nice, heavy, well-made jacketed cord. It has a dust cap as well that is included with it. Now we have a wall bracket that we already set up for him, and we can just stretch this guy out now. We will plug it in, and then if you look, we're going to get there. Now let's come over to the charger and look here. You can watch it starting to count up, 22, 23. And again, we set our limit to 32 amps, and that's what it's going to go to. It's saying that it's charging. You can see there power and all that good stuff. The car is blinking, saying that it was doing its job. So nice thing about this is that he's going to be able to charge this compared to the 8 amp one. That's what, 3 times 16 is 2 times 32, 3 times, a little bit of math. He's going to be able to charge 3 times the one that Chevy gave him with the car. Again, it came with a traveling case. The install was pretty simple if you already have a plug. Now we went ahead and we did a separate YouTube video, which you'll check the description, and I'll throw one of those little cards up there at the end to where we actually installed this outlet. But it's pretty nice. It's got a little screw hole in the back so you can hang this on the wall. So if you were trying to leave this, you know, installed longer, more in a permanent fashion like this, you've got a place to hang that. We're still charging at 32 amps. So at this rate, what was your dad saying? It took him how long? 2 days to charge his car?
Yep.
So if it's charging 3 times as fast,
it'll take like 10 hours or something.
12 hours?
Sure, something
right?
like that. I can't do
math.
that.
48 hours is 2 days. Half of 48 is 24. Right, so 12 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is going to be great. He's going to be able to charge this. And if he wanted to keep it with him and travel and not get stuck at the side of a road and have to charge it a slow amount, he could just find, you know, like an RV hookup or whatever and bring it in the travel case. So I know this is a quicker video, but I wanted to show you this that we set up for PACKOUT Princess's dad, again, like I said. And if you want to find this as well, I'll make sure that the charger is linked in the description, and you can get one for your EV. All right, so he just hopped in the car, and it's going to finish at 2 a.m., and it's already a little under half charge. I'm the JakeOfALL. I'm done, and
PACKOUT Princess, and somehow I'm cleaning up.
well, right, because we wouldn't want to see me doing that kind of work.
No.
Thanks a lot. So yeah, pack out the rocket light. And like I said, link will be in the description for that one. You guys, thanks for watching. And again, like I said, there'll be a link somewhere, or come back to the channel, and you can see the install of that outlet on the wall. So have a good one.